Do you like drawing? This is my new realistic drawing. And do like, comment, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoy.
We got this far, don't know